Today we're making a rose, and I'm going to be using, I love this yarn in the color red. It's a weight 4 yarn. You also need your crochet hook. I'm using a 4mm. You'll need a pair of scissors and also a darning needle, which is entirely optional. So we're going to start out by making a slip knot. I make an X on my fingers, take my hook, go under, over, and pull through. And there's your slip knot. And we're going to be making a chain of 52. So to chain, you just yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through, and yarn over and pull through. And we are going to continue doing this until we have 52 chains. Once you have 52 chains, we're going to do double crochets down this chain. So we're going to go into the second stitch from the hook, which is right here. So yarn over, insert your hook into that second stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. And we're going to do that again in the next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 1, then pull through 2, and pull through 2 again. And it should look something like this, and we're going to do these double crochets until the end of our chain. When you get to the end, it should look something like this. And now we're going to move on to our next row. So we're going to make a chain of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to turn our work. And into that first stitch, we're going to do a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2 again. Okay, next we're going to skip 2 stitches and go into the third one with another double crochet. So the third stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Next, we're going to make a chain of 2. So 1 and 2. Then we're going to put another double crochet in the same stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this makes a V stitch. So we're going to skip 2 stitches again, and in the third stitch we're going to make another V stitch. So 1, 2, 3. So another double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 2, 1, 2, and place another double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. And we'll do this until the end of the row. Once you get to the end of the row, you'll only have 2 stitches left. So we're just going to do our V stitch in that last stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 2, 1, 2, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is what your work should look like so far. Now we're going to start our next row, and we're going to start that by chaining 1 and turning our work. Once we do that, we're going to put a slip stitch in this first space. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through again. Then we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and place a double crochet in the same space. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to place 2 more double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We'll do 1 more double crochet. Okay, so now we have a space right next to that, and we're going to skip it, and we're actually going to go into the spaces that are upward V's. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to do another double crochet in that same exact space. Then we're going to chain 2, 1, 2. We're going to put 2 more double crochets in that same space. So here's 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochets. And it should look something like this. And I'll show you one more time. So we're going into this next space, the upward V. We're going to put 2 double crochets. So here is the first double crochet. Then we're going to put a second double crochet. We're going to chain 2. And then put 2 more double crochets. So here's first double crochet. And the second double crochet. And we're going to do this until the end of the chain. Now we're going to start our final row, and to do that we're going to chain 2 and then turn our work. So 1, 2, and then turn our work. And in this first space where my fingers are, we're going to put 8 double crochets. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And in this next space, we're going to put a slip stitch. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through again. And in our next space, we're going to do 8 double crochets again. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And in our next space, we're going to do another slip stitch. So insert, yarn over, pull through, and pull through again. And we're going to continue this down the row until you get to the final space, and I'll meet you back there. So once you get to your final space, we're actually going to do 13 double crochets. So we're going to start And here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And this is how your rose petal should be looking. And it's okay if it's wrapping around, it's supposed to do that. So now we're going to close off our rose petal. And to do that, we are going to slip stitch into the very first stitch that we made. So find that first stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, then pull through again, chain 1, and cut your yarn. And you're going to pull that yarn through to fasten off your rose petal. Now we're going to take our 13 double crochet petal and we're just going to fold it in until we get to the very end. We're just going to be folding those petals into each other. And I like to make sure that the very bottom is all aligned just so that the rose looks more presentable and symmetrical. So once you get to the very end, if you do not plan to make a bouquet, you can take your darning needle and weave in your ends, and here's your rose.